In a world filled with challenges, Mahatma Gandhi's words resonate deeply. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Gandhi's inspirational quote serves as a guiding light for those seeking motivation and personal growth. This motivational video is designed to uplift and empower individuals on their journey towards positive change. As the video unfolds, let Gandhi's wisdom inspire you to take meaningful steps towards personal development. Each word spoken by Gandhi carries the weight of wisdom and the promise of transformation. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, fueled by Gandhi's timeless message of change. In a world where positivity is a choice, let Gandhi's words be the beacon that guides you towards a brighter tomorrow. Embrace the power within you to create the change you wish to see, just as Gandhi envisioned. Let this video be a reminder that transformation starts from within, with a single step towards a better version of yourself. As you listen to Gandhi's words, feel the motivation surging within you, propelling you towards greatness. May this video ignite a spark of inspiration that fuels your journey towards personal growth and positive change. Remember, the change you seek begins with you. Let Gandhi's quote be the catalyst for your transformation. In a world where possibilities are endless, embrace the potential for growth and let Gandhi's wisdom be your guide. As the video draws to a close, carry Gandhi's message in your heart, ready to embark on a journey of self-improvement. Let Gandhi's words echo in your mind, a constant reminder of the power you hold to shape your own destiny. In the silence that follows, let Gandhi's quote resonate within you, igniting a flame of determination and resilience. As you step away from this video, carry with you the essence of Gandhi's words, a beacon of hope and inspiration. Remember, the power to change the world lies within you. Let Gandhi's timeless wisdom be your guiding light.